So not too long ago, Fair RC was like, BOGO, and I didn't want to have FOMO, so I was all like, YOLO.
Welcome to CK4RC.
Welcome back to the channel. Did you guys catch all that? I don't know what I said. I hope it wasn't like gang related. I don't know. The kids were like, hey, say all this stuff. I didn't know what it meant, but whatever. Here we are. I've got 2 boxes on the bench because I got 2 rigs to show off. And here we are. I'm CK. The channel is CK4RC. Only RCs is who makes the shirts. Go to onlyrcs.com. Get your stuff. Use my discount code. 20% off. It's in the description. Copy and paste it. Done deal. Here we go. So, let's get a little slicey in here. First up, it says it's from A Main Hobbies. It's not from A Main Hobbies. It came from Fair RC. Whatever. Time to dig in. We've got an easy RC right here. And I'm hoping I know what's in this box because I've seen some of these get unboxed already. And so I'm really hopeful that this might be one of those Colorados. Huh? Wait, does it say on the... It says right there on the box, it's not a Colorado. Meh, meh. It's called an Arizona. I'm not a Jeep guy. So, cool, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what the box says. If I can get the box out of the box. Here we go. I'm gonna, whoop. This isn't going well. This isn't going well. All right. Box, come out of the box. Not gonna happen. Didn't want to anyway. All right, so let's get into the Rock Hobby box. Now, I have gotten a Rock Hobby before, and it ended up being the Magnum, which I didn't really want, but since I got it, it's a cool looking truck. It's a really cool scale trail truck. So it takes really pretty pictures if you get into like scale photos and stuff like that. Super cool. Fair RC, it's not much of a surprise whenever you put it on the freaking box. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Not completely what I was hoping for, but I will say this. It's better than the Arizona. The Rock Hobby Mog Rich. It's the generic version of the Unimog. You can tell it's got like the really crappy FCX wheels and tires on there that are good for nothing. It's got that mint green color that's just not that appealing. I don't even know if this version comes in a different color. Every one of these I've seen is this ugly mint. So, injection hard body, or injection molded hard body, functional hood, cool. Scale interior, cool. Multifunctional light control system, fine. Pinion and ring gear axles, no worm gear, so whatever, that's fine. High torque transmission, high torque oversized, 55 turn brushed motor. Probably not. Rock Hobby, this is kind of like the generic version of like FMS. And so the electronics, it's not going to be heavy duty. It's not going to be upgraded by any means. 7.4 volt 2S LiPo providing up to 30-minute runtime. Okay, that's not too bad. Chassis mounted servo. I don't like chassis mounted servos. It does give like a scale, more of a scale look. So that helps with that. Tuned coil shocks. I don't know how tuned they are. They're friction shocks. All right, so let's not pretend that they're something fancy, because they're not. All right, let's see if this Arizona wants to come out and play. Ah, we finally got it. All right. There's stuff on the box here. Would you know it? Injection molded hard body. Cool. Functional hood. Sounds familiar. Scale interior features. Am I just reading the same box again? Ooh, a Rhino bumper kit and roof rack. There's no roof rack in any of these pictures. Interesting. If it's going to be a feature, it literally says features on the box. Maybe have it in a picture. I don't know. Functional light control system, cool. Pinion and ring gear axle, again, no worm gear, fine. High torque transmission. 2S LiPo, up to 30-minute runtime. Chassis mounted servo again, and no thanks. Tuned coil shocks, again, friction shocks. How are they tuned? What, they got some preload set on them? I mean, is that what they mean? Oh, this one just sold me. 2.4 gig transmitter. Jackpot. Everything's 2.4 gig. Stop making it a feature. It's not a feature when it's a standard. Ugh, whatever. Okay, Fair RC. Love the BOGO deal. Fantastic BOGO mystery box. No complaints with the deal. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little disappointed with the results here. I would have loved to see a Glacier. I would have loved to have seen even the Bronx, the Bronco version of the Arizona. It's still not good, but I'm a Ford guy. I'm not a Jeep guy. So the Arizona, no thanks. The Bronco, yeah, let's do that. Okay. Anyway, the Glacier would have been great. The Bronx would have been great. I mean, really, probably about anything except for the Arizona. Or the whatever the Thunder Ranger is. I don't know what it is. The Forest Thunder. I don't know. It's a different Jeep. No thanks. I'm good on Jeeps. Anyway, here's my BOGO. I'm not going to be upset. I still got a great value, return on investment, if you will. So no complaints with Fair RC. They are fantastic. The mods they put out, the accessories they put out, the live streams they do, and the deals. Listen, you're not going to hear me say a bad word about Fair RC. A little bummed with what came in, but hey, that's the thrill of the mystery box. You don't know. You don't know, and I didn't know. So it's not a Colorado. It's not a Glacier. It's not a Bronx. It's not a motorcycle. Man, I was trying to score one of those motorcycles. Hey, Fair RC, send me a motorcycle. Let me play with that thing a little bit. Whatever. Here's what I got. I've seen some of these get unboxed. I've seen a lot of Mogriches. I've seen a lot of Colorados. I've seen a variety of this type of crawler. Did you pick up one of the mystery box BOGOs? What did you end up with? Drop that comment down below. Hit that quadfecta before you go. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Keep doing RC stuff, and I'll see you next time.